We searched YouTube for cryptocurrency trading. The top result sells an exchange referral code. The next one sells a 5-day boot camp. The one under that sells a VIP telegram. Every single course on that page is paid to teach you. This one is not. Welcome to trading school. Here is the receipt, the actual search results. Referral codes, paid courses, private groups, affiliate links. Remember the rule. When the teacher is paid by the casino, the lesson is the casino. And judge us by the same rule. We sell nothing. Lesson 1. The whole machine, from zero. No signals, no predictions, no links. Just how trading actually works, and the numbers nobody selling a course will open with. Start at the atom. A price is not a fact, it is an argument. Every trade is two strangers disagreeing about the future. One thinks it is going up, and one is happy to sell it to them. The place where they argue is called the order book. Learn to read it, and half of trading stops being magic. The book has two sides. Bids, people waiting to buy, stacked below the price. Asks, people waiting to sell, stacked above. The gap between them is the spread. On Bitcoin, at a major exchange, it is a fraction of a basis point. On the meme coin your friend found, it can be 100 times wider. The spread is the first fee nobody mentions. Now the controls. Every exchange, every asset, 4 buttons that matter. Market, pay for speed. Limit, get paid to wait. Stop, your ejector seat. Stop limit, the ejector seat with a catch. That is the entire cockpit. Everything else is decoration. A market order fills now at whatever the book offers. On thin coins, that is how you buy the top in one click. A limit order names your price and waits. A stop sells when price falls to your line, but it becomes a market order, so in a crash, it can fill far below your line. That slip is called slippage. And October 10th taught everyone what it means. There are 2 ways to trade. Spot, you own the coin. Boring, survivable. Perpetual futures. You bet on the price with borrowed size and never own anything. Perps are where the volume lives. One decentralized exchange alone clears nearly $7 billion of them a day. They are also where accounts go to die. Perps never expire. So to keep the bet glued to the real price, longs and shorts pay each other a fee called funding. On most venues, every 8 hours. Baseline around 0.01%, roughly 11% a year. And when everyone crowds one side, funding explodes. In February 2024, it annualized above 100%. Funding is the market telling you which side is crowded. Leverage is borrowed conviction. 10x means a 1% move pays you 10, or takes 10. The exchange lends you the difference, and it does not do charity. Below a threshold, it seizes the position. That threshold is called liquidation, and the math is shorter than the ads. Distance to liquidation is roughly 100 divided by your leverage minus a maintenance buffer. 10x. About a 9% move ends you. 50x. Under 2%. Bitcoin's average daily move last year was 2.2%, the calmest year it has ever had. A normal day executes 50x. And on October 10th, one 14% day liquidated 1.6 million traders, $19 billion in 24 hours. Records are made of leverage. Meanwhile, the house gets paid either way. The spread. The taker fee, about half a basis point per side on perps, up to over 1% per trade on beginner spot tiers. The funding. The market maker on the other side of your market order. None of these are scandals, but they compound, and they are why the machine loves your volume more than it loves you. Now the numbers no course seller opens with. Taiwan, 15 years of complete trading records. Fewer than 1% of day traders reliably profitable after fees. Brazil. Of everyone who kept day trading past 300 days, 97% lost money. The Bank for International Settlements looked at retail crypto app users across 95 countries. Roughly 3/4 likely lost. And the broker's own mandated disclosures admit 60 to 76% of retail accounts lose. That is the base rate. Respect it or join it. Which brings us to the only edge a beginner actually controls: size. You cannot control the market, the news, or the whales. You control exactly one thing: how much you can lose. Survive first. Be right later. Every professional you admire is a survivor before they are a genius. The rules fit on one card. Risk a fixed slice per trade. Professionals argue about 1%, not 10. Size, so that a full loss changes nothing about your life. Remember what even the winners survived. Ethereum fell 67%, Solana 74%, and they were the good ones. And never add to a loser just to feel better. That is not a strategy. That is a seance. The 5 classic deaths, so you can see them coming. Market buying an illiquid coin. You donated to the spread museum. Revenge trading a loss. The market does not know you exist. Leverage on news. You are the liquidity. Buying signals from strangers. We tested 36,000 of those picks, down 6.5% within a month. And trading without an exit. Hope is not an order type. So here is where school actually starts. Paper trade for 30 days. The test networks are free. Spot before perps. Months before margin. One position at a time. Write the exit before the entry. And expect to be bored. Good trading is mostly waiting. Screenshot this card. It is the entire course. Trading is a craft with a brutal base rate, not a lottery with a cheat code. The machine itself is beautiful. Learn it, because understanding money is worth it. And if you still choose to trade after today, you will at least die of something rarer than the 5 classics. That was lesson 1 of the trading school, the only one on this platform selling you nothing. Lesson 2 is your call. A. The liquidation files. B. The 36,000 pick back test. Letters below. No referrals, no signals, education only. The meme economy.